Hey, you. Yes, you. Do you suffer from bad breath, otherwise known as halitosis, and also dry mouth? Well, let me introduce you to TheraBreath Dry Mouth Lozenges. As you can see right here, it says dentist recommended dry mouth lozenges helps relieve dry mouth symptoms and also restores fresh breath instantly. Contains natural stimulating tingle with xylitol. Dr. Harold hats. Let me see. So I've had about 20 years experience using the products, ranging from the TheraBreath toothpaste and also the TheraBreath Oral Rinse. It does, with a special formulation, it does take care of bad breath. So let's go ahead and open this box, guys. I've trusted Dr. Harold Katz for about 20 years, and his products does as specified. You see right here, 5 calories. So it's basically like a lozenge or like in the form of a candy. Basically, what you do is take as needed with dry mouth symptoms for every 3 to 4 hours. All right. And here are the ingredients. Each lozenge has about 3 milligrams of zinc and xylitol, and certified gluten-free and vegan. No artificial colors and flavors. So this is the mandarin mint flavor. You see the lozenges in here. Oh, individually wrapped, by the way. Oh, heck, you can probably give this away as Halloween candy. So lately I've been using hydrogen peroxide as an oral rinse or mouthwash. And I noticed I've been having a little bit of dry mouth. So that's why I wanted to use these lozenges, because not only does it take care of bad breath, in case I'm on the go in a hurry, I don't have time to, do my normal proper oral hygiene. So let's go ahead and open this up. Individually wrapped, much appreciated. Oh, it has a very minty smell. Look at this. Pop it in. Ooh, tastes minty. Not very sweet. It's quite pleasant. So this, I can taste that it lasts pretty long time. Wow, it has a nice soothing effect too, because I can feel it providing a lot of tingy sensation, kind of similar if you eat like a cough drop, Hall's cough drop. It makes it cools your tongue. That's probably where that that moisturizing, the dry mouth, anti-dry mouth effect takes into place, while it also kills the germs and makes your breath smelling minty fresh and your mouth moisture all throughout the day, which makes it perfect as an emergency backup if you're out on a date or an interview. So if you're looking for a dry mouth, anti-bad breath candy that you can take with you on the go, definitely give the TheraBreath brand a look.